guys, it's Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Now recording from my new house. I'm so excited. I just moved earlier this week. This is the bathroom and I'm recording from my bedroom. I love this house and I just wanted to say hi. So short video, I'm working on another longer video which will be released early next week. So make sure to subscribe to check it out. And this short video is just
a quick catch up.
I haven't been creating any videos in the last few days. I have been moving, I have been packing, but now I'm settled in a new place and I absolutely love it. Great location, I love the location and I'm looking forward to exploring new places around, settling in a new place. So I'll speak with you soon. Bye bye. If you loved this video, smash the like button now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular SEO and e-commerce tips. Also hit the bell to be notified every time I upload new video. Now watch these videos next, recommended for you here, to learn more about SEO and running successful online business. Bye bye.